In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if someone is on Facebook dating. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Facebook application like you normally would. Then you want to go to the top and then select on your icon right over here. It should be towards the top right. Then you want to go ahead and select on this option over here that says dating, and then it will take you to the dating section of Facebook. So now there is actually multiple ways that we could use in order to check if someone is on Facebook dating. So what we could do is we can actually go ahead and go over here to this bottom menu where it will give you like a bunch of different icons, and all you want to do is you want to select on the one that says interest. So if you're looking for a particular person and you know what their interests are, go ahead and actually try to pick it from this list. So let's say, for example, if the person you're trying to look for is really into pop music or basically whatever they are into, and there's also more options over here. So honestly, there is a lot of different things that you guys could pick, and then from there you can go ahead and press on save, and then it is going to suggest people with those interests. Another thing that you guys could do is you can actually go ahead and adjust the proximity of your Facebook dating suggestion. So for example, if you know this individual person lives near you, then what you can do is you can go to the top right and then select on the profile icon over here, then go ahead and select on the option that says dating preferences. Once you're over here, what you can do is you can go over here to where it says distance from you and go ahead and adjust it. So you can put it as low as 3 miles or 4 miles or 8 miles. But basically, if you know that this person lives really close to you, for example, I highly suggest putting it all the way down to 3 miles like so, and then pressing on save. Alternatively, if you know exactly what the height they are, you guys could actually go ahead and change it as well. And even the age range, education levels, their kids, smoking, basically you had to adjust all of these different inputs to the person you are trying to look for. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.